Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are doing well and studying at your home. So, welcome back to your online classes from LPM Public School, which is situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of computer, and in today's video, we are going to start a new chapter from your computer book. Okay, so students, firstly, take out your computer book IT Vision, which is look like this, and open chapter 4. Okay, open chapter 4, students. Now as you can see on your screen, this is chapter 4. Okay, this is your chapter 4. And what's the name of chapter 4, students? So our chapter name is the computer mouse. Okay, our chapter name is the computer mouse. Okay, now students, in today's video we are going to go through the computer mouse chapter. Okay, so students, have you seen ever a mouse? Have you ever seen a mouse, students? So a mouse is a little animal. Okay, a mouse is a very little animal who has a tail, and it runs very fast. Okay, it runs very fast. However, today you will learn about a computer mouse that is very different from a real mouse. Okay, so students, as you all know, the computer mouse is a very different from the real mouse. Okay, a real mouse can't help you to work on a computer, but a computer mouse can help you to work on a computer. Okay, it is also a part of a computer. Okay, and it is also called the pointing device. Okay, because you can draw a picture, you can select any file, you can point anything on a computer with the help of a computer mouse. Is that clear? Now students, put finger on the first line and let's start reading this chapter with me. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to listen to me carefully in order to understand that how I am pronouncing every single word of this chapter. Okay, now students, put finger on the first line. Does a leaf mouse help you to work on a computer? No. Do you know that there is a mouse which could help you to work on a computer? It is a computer mouse. Okay, so students, as you all know, there are lots of real mouse. Okay, real mouse can't help you to work on computer because it's a leaf mouse. Okay, it has life and it runs very fast. Okay, and it can't help you to work on a computer because there is no connection of computer and a real mouse. But the computer mouse, as you can see in this picture, this is the computer mouse. This can help you to work on a computer because it is designed for to working on a computer. Okay, with the help of this computer mouse you can work on computer very easily. Okay, it is a computer mouse. Okay, so it is computer mouse, so it is called, this mouse called computer mouse. Okay, this is not the real mouse. Okay, this is called a computer mouse. Okay, and this mouse have two buttons, as you can see, left button, right button. Okay, there are two buttons, and in the center of these two buttons there is a scroll wheel. Okay, and there is a wire, okay, in this mouse that connect it with the that attached it this mouse with the CPU of the computer. Is that clear? Now students, let's, without any delay, let's read about this computer mouse. Okay, so here the first heading is computer mouse. Okay, the first topic is computer mouse. Okay, and firstly tell me students, what is the spelling of computer? The spelling of computer is COMPUTER, computer, and the spelling of mouse is MOUSE, mouse. Okay, so it become computer mouse. Okay, if you look carefully, the shape of a computer mouse looks like a real mouse. Okay, so if you will look on this mouse very carefully, you will see that this computer mouse looks like similar to the real mouse. Okay, because real mouse has also the shape of like this computer mouse. Okay, so the shape of this computer mouse is much more like a real mouse. Is that clear? It has a tail like wire. Okay, and this mouse has a tail. Okay, but this is the wire. Okay, this tail is a wire. Okay, a tail in the form of wire. Okay, it is attached to the CPU cabinet through this wire. Okay, and this mouse attached to the CPU cabinet. Okay, this mouse attached to the CPU cabinet with this help of wire. Okay, with the help of this wire. Is that clear? Now students, here we had learned about the mouse looks like a the computer mouse looks like a real mouse, and there is a wire that connects it, that attached it, this mouse, with the CPU cabinet. And now we will learn about the mouse buttons. Okay, that how many buttons there are in a mouse. Okay, so we will learn about it. Okay, a computer mouse has two buttons. Some computer mouse also have a scroll wheel between the two buttons. These buttons are known as left button and right button. Okay, so students, as you can see in this picture, this is the picture of a mouse. Okay, look at this picture. This is the picture of a mouse. Okay, and as you can see in this picture, this is the wire. It connect. Okay, it attached this mouse with the CPU cabinet, and there are two buttons. Okay, there are two buttons. This is left button, this is right button in this mouse. Okay, so there are two buttons in the mouse. First one is, this is left button and this is right button. Okay, and as you can, in the center of these two buttons there is a scroll wheel. Okay, as you can, this is in black in color. Okay, this is the scroll wheel. Okay, this is a little wheel, it is called a scroll wheel. Okay, but with the help of this wheel you can scroll any file or any picture or anything on a computer. Okay, is that clear? The scroll wheel, right? Okay, as these buttons are known as left button and right button, the scroll wheel lets you move a page up and down on the monitor. Okay, and the scroll wheel helps you to move the page up and down. Okay, so this scroll will help you to move the page up and down on the monitor screen. Is that clear? Now students, come on the page number 27. Okay, come on the page number 27. So here you can see students, this is a tips for you. This is Ava tips. Okay, so Ava, there is a girl, her name is Ava, and she's giving you a cool tip. Okay, so moving a page up and down on the monitor is called scrolling. Okay, so as I told you earlier, you can scroll any page up and down. You can scroll any page up and down on the monitor screen. So the scrolling any page, the moving any page on the monitor is called scrolling. Okay, if you are moving any page on the monitor, you will say that I am scrolling this page. Okay, is that clear? Now students, till now we had learned about the mouse buttons, and now we will learn about the mouse pad. Okay, now we will learn about the mouse pad. Is that clear? So let's read with me students. Put finger on the first line. It is a good practice to keep a computer mouse on a pad. This pad is known as mouse pad. Okay, so the pad on which we keep our mouse is called mouse pad. Is that clear? It helps to move the mouse smoothly, okay? And when you put your mouse on this pad, it will help you to move your mouse very smoothly, very softly, okay? And you won't suffer with any problem, okay? So you should always keep your mouse on the mouse pad, and this mouse pad on which we keep our mouse is called mouse pad, okay? As you can see in this picture, look at this picture. This is the picture of a mouse pad. A mouse pad looks like this, and this is the mouse. It is kept on this mouse pad, okay? As you can see, this is the mouse pad, okay? Now students, that's enough for today. So the further chapter we will read in the next video lesson. So students, there is a homework for you. You all have to read this chapter with the help of your guardian, and you have to underline the hard words of this chapter, okay? So students, see you in the next video lesson. Till then, bye bye, take care of yourself.